Hello and welcome to this beautiful live Monday morning. And lots of excitement in the air, of course. Ekdam season of celebration, summer weddings and Eid right around the corner. Or hamara big announcement is of course our shows that are coming up in Ludhiana for the very first time, which we're really excited about, and of course Chandigarh as well, which was amazing to meet so many of you last time. So yes, इस बार हमारा twin city show रहेगा in Ludhiana, in Chandigarh. Chandigarh पहला रहेगा on one day only. We are there on the 26th. और पूरे दिन है वहाँ हम हम ला रहे हैं अपना समर कलेक्शन, वेडिंग कलेक्शन, और ये कलेक्शन जो हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं, आई विल टेल यू व्हाई ऑल्सो दैट यू हैव टू बी एबल टू काइंड ऑफ शॉप नाउ इफ यू आर वाचिंग द लाइव्स. लुधियाना में हैं हम 27th के सेकेंड हाफ में, बिकॉज वी गोना बी ट्रैवलिंग इन द मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम चंडीगढ़ टू लुधियाना. तो सेकेंड हाफ 2 बजे से शुरू होएगा 27th को, और पूरे दिन 28 मार्च को रहेंगे हम लुधियाना में. सो 1.5 डे है लुधियाना, 1 डे इन चंडीगढ़. सारे ही हमारे समर कलेक्शन जो आप देखते आ रहे हैं वो, और उसके साथ you're going to be seeing of course the wedding collection, which we are also going to be, we have been showcasing all of this while. Now this is a new launch today that we are showcasing the most beautiful dupattas to you. This is the first one that I am wearing. It's amazing. What's so special about it is that it's Munga silk, it's bandhani, and it's all greatly finished. The most lovely, beautiful colors. बहुत difficult है bandhani बनाना मूंगा सिल्क फैब्रिक में, and we do it as a speciality because the fabric is so thin that when you tie it and when you open it, it requires a different kind of skill. But we are able to do it, and what we're going to be showing you are some stunning. Just look at the movement of this dupatta, how amazing, how beautiful it is. I'm wearing a neutral munga suit जो बहुत अच्छा लगता है for this whole look. So we're going to be showing you this. We're going to be showing you some other munga silk fabrics as well. And these dupattas, each one of them a beautiful, unique piece just for you. What is the price range of each one? 28,800. That's the price for each one of these dupattas, and they are ravishing. Now munga hai, so understated, lovely colors, the feel, the look, it's completely unmatched, okay? Not a speck of zari. That's also the beauty, because you can be wearing this whether you're going to be wrapping it around yourself, whether you're going to be wearing it one side, neutral suit, color matte suit, sab kuch possible hai. I love this color. Each one has a very distinct and unique look to it. Now, what I was saying was that our schedule this time in our exhibition is so tight that there won't be any lives during those days. If we are able to do it, we'll just be able to just catch up. So what we are doing is that आज ये नया collection यही celebrate करने को है कि हम आ रहे हैं आपके शहर, Chandigarh and Ludhiana, and for everybody else it's a chance for you to pick up these pieces right away. You can see our schedule 26, 27, 28 covering 2 cities. It's going to be so hectic. For the first time ever, we don't plan a live. कुछ अगर हो गया तो it's just going to be impromptu. Otherwise, you'll have to forgive us. We won't be able to do any live. So to make up for that, we're launching this beautiful collection right here, and that's your chance to be able to buy these beautiful pieces right away itself. अगर आप लुधियाना चंडीगढ़ में तो हम आपको जरूर वहां मिलेंगे, but for everyone else this is your chance to be kind of watching these live and placing your orders. All of last week, so many wonderful new looks we've been launching all for this, that आप ये live आराम से देख के खरीद सके for your summer weddings. Everybody's planning that summer wedding, तो उसके लिए, and of course Eid, which is just there. Look at the stunning dupatta. मैं एकदम पीछे जाके दिखा रही हूँ so that you can really have a look on how beautiful it is. The joy of wearing munga, like I'm a really big fan of munga, okay? I love wearing munga. So for me, it's about comfort. So what I'm wearing here now is the same on same. I also have this exact same fabric. This I've not done a very serious iski styling. It's more about fun and it being light, and sometimes wearing it as it is, just like this, or sometimes going with a dupatta like these. And I will show you the exact fabric. You can see the lotus motif. This is 5,800 per meter. मैंने पहना है like a very fitted, beautiful finished pants here. It's also of the same fabric. I have gone for a same on same look. And look at these colors. so earthy, so beautiful. We have bright, or love the, look at the finesse of the bandi, and I'm just going to show it to you like that so that you can see all the detailing right there of each one of them. Her piece, as I said, is unique. The colors, the way they've been made, composed, it's all for this very unique combination and collection that we are launching today. Okay, so something like this, has been in making for the last 6 months, and then it comes as a very small capsule collection, because we're really, so look at that beautiful look right there, such a nice chocolatey brown. Now this is the fabric that I'm wearing. You can see that. Yeah, there you go. 5,800 per meter. If you want it dyed, surely we'll dye it for you. But to me, it's really good as it is as well. So, I'm going to leave it up to you कि आपको किस तरीके से इसका look बनाना है. But मेरा ये कहना है कि ये जो दुपट्टे हैं, they're going to be looking amazing as it is. Whether you're going to be going, look at that. Of course, when on purpose, I'm making them fly. They're ultra light. They're stunning. Now look at this color. Such a beautiful shade of purple. So lovely. Now wrap it around yourself. Wear it in like, you can wear it like this. I'm also going to show you how you can wrap it around yourself and wear. It's so fun to be wearing this. No weight to it. So, when you are in a summer wedding, you want to really be free. You don't want your, it's not winters, right? When you really want to be covered in layers. You want to look great, but you want to be lightweight. You want to have fun wherever you are. This is a look for you. Now look at that. Ekdam easy. Now what you're going to do, if you want to make it a little more dressy, of course you're going to wear a nice neck piece here. These dupattas, 28,800. How are you going to be placing your order? Now look at that. Now when I carry it, even if I've wrapped it around myself, it's just so easy. Okay, and 28,800. How are you going to be placing your order? It's going to be on WhatsApp, and just all that you'll have to do. Now look at that. Look at the flow. Each one of these 2.5 in length, and these dupattas, Munga silk base bandhani done by hand, and that's what you're seeing. So aapne jaise hi dekha. Very good morning to you. Have a great week ahead. Lots of love to you. And for everyone who's joining in, it's so good to see you at the start of the week. We are brimming with joy with a big announcement, of course, of our twin shows. पहली बार हम कर रहे हैं, so wishes lot of luck. And yes, everybody in Ludhiana, and I know, क्योंकि ये fact है हमारे पास, that we have such huge client base in Ludhiana, in Chandigarh, in Jalandhar, in Patiala, all of that. And we are really going to be waiting and really looking forward to meeting so many of you. I know many of you are also internationally based from these, these cities. And जहाँ आपके बहुत parcels जाते हैं, to your friends and family. So it would be so good for us to meet you. But if not, then to meet you and your family and your friends, send them along. So pass the word. Our first time ever in Ludhiana. We are really excited. In Chandigarh, you're amazing as it is. So keep it going, keep the love going, and we're going to be seeing you. Most importantly, एक ही दिन है in Chandigarh. So that's something that you will have to kind of really be sure that you are able to make it. Thank you so much. A beautiful morning to all of you. And what a great start of the week. Now this one, now look at the colors. These are just so classy. So even for the tassels, we've done a special resham tassels, very dense, very nice. That kind of makes it, all about the dupatta and this muted color and finish to it. I do have some colors, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है. So make sure that you've seen all your color options. And then the moment you go, you have placed your order. What a beautiful one. I love this one. Look at this whole color. And look at each of the colors that we have gone for. It's all browns and earthy, shades of these rust and greens, all that are so subdued. Of course, you will see suddenly a beautiful purple coming through. So wo bhi hai. And I think this is like a match made in heaven for a Munga silk fabric, because ये जो बांधनी का color है, remember, क्योंकि base fabric Munga है, तो जो बांधनी का भी color है, it is also matching the Munga color, because you understand how it's made, right? It's a knot which is wrapped around the natural color उसका यही है, so it looks amazing. इसके साथ, do you have a Munga Bhuta fabric? I would like to go for a Munga Bhuta fabric. Any, you can show me any. Okay, in natural. I want to go for natural, so you can show me this one. because this is one option that if you're going for, and then this is the other option. What I'm doing is giving you a lot of options in Munga Natural that you can kind of pick. You go, this is really, really good. So I think it looks absolutely amazing. Look at this, here it is. So that's your one option. So this is our 5,400 per meter. Also looks very, very nice. I'm just going to open it up 1 minute. Let's open it up for you. I think we've missed the Munga Bhuta, but I do want it. So if you'll have to go and get it. So here it is. Now you can see this ultra nice look, which is that you can show, you can just, this is a really nice look. Now that's what I was trying to show you. That's the natural Munga. And this is the fabric. Many of you have seen me wear it very often. This is 5,400 per meter. This is 5,800 per meter. This dupatta 28,800, and all such great combinations for you to pick up. So now what I'm also doing, bringing out some fabrics. मैं end में आपको मूंगा बूटा भी जरूर दिखाऊंगी. And look at the ravishing collection that it is. Isn't it? Each one just absolutely stunning. You should see all of the pieces. अगले 10-15 मिनट में हम सब दिखा देंगे आपको. And then you take your, bestest one. Now, this one, just look at each of this design. So lovely, so detailed. And just beautiful with the flow. It's absolutely amazing. Now, there you go. There you go. Here it is. Now, what I'm doing here is, this is another natural Munga. Each one of these are dyeable, and you can just kind of pick them up like this. So, that's a combination that you can go for. If you like the, without Meena one, then this is an option. I'll also show you a standard Munga Bhuta, which is a 3450. Otherwise, you could be going for this. जिसमें थोड़ा मीना है. So take a one with Meena, take one without Meena. Both are really good. Like these fabrics, look at that. These are also 5,800 per meter. So absolutely amazing. Now look at that. Flow sabhi mein same hai. Go for same on same. That would be good. And each color that you're seeing, you're going to be seeing it only one time. So make sure that you have taken your screenshot. Okay. Every day, so many of you joining us, for the first time. I think kal hi ek din mein there are so many followers who are increasing on the page. So when they increase, we always try to tell you कि अगर आप नए हैं, so ये जानिए that all of the best collections of Neev is going to come in these lives to you. जो आपको देखना है, आपको पसंद आएगी, क्योंकि we tell you lot of details. जो भी आपको बाकी जानना है, आपने अगर ये इसका एक स्क्रीनशॉट लिया और व्हाट्सएप नंबर है, उस पे अगर आप आते हैं, and then you can just come and place your order. That's as simple as that. Look at that. It's amazing, the whole flow. I'm having fun because this is actually how easy it is to kind of be carrying. Now, what I have for you is this Munga. Yeah, this was there. This is the Munga that I was looking for. Anyways, now here it is. This is the fabric that you can see right here. Okay. This is the 3450 per meter. It looks amazing when you dye it, when you keep it natural. And this is going to be a great choice. So, आपको जो ये है, जो मैंने पहने हैं, the other ones are all the 5,000 something in the meters. This one is 3450 per meter. And this is also so lovely with it. So, you can either go for this one. So, guys, have a screenshot, okay? Because I'm showing each one of these ones, and then you have to kind of take your pick on the one that you're liking. Now, so many of you, we're so happy. Like you're doing your Eid shopping here. Make sure that you have come on our page and you've seen all that there is to see. Please, so that it's going to be amazing. And we also want you to come on our chats actually. So that's the whole idea, that you see something, then you like something, and then you come on our chats. And it's absolutely amazing. Now look at this, ravishing. That's the word that I have for you, for this wonderful, each color so unique actually. So I'm not going to be partial today. Really, I couldn't be. Now with this, I want to show you two things. First things is this. This is, now look at that. This is our simple 3450 per meter Munga Bhuta, which is a great option for this. या किसी भी और के साथ. So keep this handy. I will bring it back again. But मैंने जो इसके साथ हमने combination बनाया है, and that is this one. Now look at that. That's a beautiful one. 5,800 per meter. The pink looking so perfect. So when you're in the mood for something special, कुछ अलग, these are the pieces that you're going to be wearing, because it spells summer as much as you can. Now look at the movement. It's amazing. You do a same on same, you do a A-line, you do a kalidar kurta, all will look great. For the bottom, if you don't want to do a same on same, then we'll do a plain munga, because that's also going to look, equally good. Plain munga is 2450 per meter. Now this one, look at that. That's your combination. Absolutely amazing. And yes, if you're asking for sarees, I know that you've joined us recently. We're a specialist of suits, fabric and dupattas only, and we've been doing this for a long time. So you have to come and see. And how are you going to come and see? जब हम बोलते हैं come and see, तो किधर? The lives happen a couple of times in a week. ये पहला live है इस week का, which we have come to celebrate announcement of our twin show, our trunk show, our exhibition in Ludhiana and in Chandigarh. Ludhiana for the first time, so naturally we are very excited for it. So आज इसी के celebration में हम ये announce कर रहे हैं, दिखा रहे हैं नया collection, because as I said, this time for us it's going to be difficult for us to do lives from the cities. It's a very tight schedule. If we come, it's just going to be a bonus. Now look at that. You say you want a little sheen for your suit, but you love the dupatta neutral. Then this is chinia silk for you, right? Chinia silk buta, which is 3250 per meter, and it's fabulous. It's soft. It's got that sheen. It looks amazing. Now what I've done here, I've done a combination of a munga dupatta with this chinia. It's perfectly color matched. Actually, in fact, I wanted to show it to you that how would a base which is actually colored look, and I think it looks bahut sundar. So when you're looking, see, there are two kind of us, the ones who want to wear one nice perfect outfit for an occasion that you have in mind, okay, then I will definitely tell you to go for matched look, because you're looking for that one perfect look, and this is what you should be doing. And then some of us just like this dupatta and want to kind of go for it, don't have an occasion necessarily in mind today, but would love to wear the dupatta given the season. Yehi season hai inko pehnne ka. So in that case, you can wear it with white fabric, like nice white chikankari kurta, like maybe a natural munga you already have from us, and if not, you must have one, because it's very useful. Because I want to show it to you. Now, मैंने आपको just दिखाया है the effect with a color matched one, and I want to also show it to you with a neutral one. Then you can make up your mind that what is the look that you're going for. Now look at that. That's going to be the look with a natural. So this is of course more casual. The dupattas are 28,800. This is of course more casual when you do a contrast. अगर आपको formal में इनको भी dye कराना है, they're going to look amazing, okay? They're going to look amazing. Oh, that's a red. It's a beautiful one. And just enjoy the flow, the beauty of these. It's absolutely amazing. Inko aapko jab, when you want to see the flow, just move, okay? When you're moving, you'll be able to make out what is the fabric, what is the joy about wearing it. Because when you have only fabulous fabric as these, will you be able to get that flow? And us flow ko enjoy karna, that's the whole point of wearing it. Now that's your piece. That's a stunning shade. If you are in love with the red, and you want to be wearing something this season, this is your look. Or mere paas bahut, good thing is I have a almost very close combination for us to show you. But I also do think that this is going to look very nice. So this is how it is. Like the green, if you ask me, definitely, even for a formal event, I would say go for a same on same. But ye jo color hai, if I were to say, I think, I would just wear it with a very nice, rich munga like this. Because I think even when you wear it like this, it looks really formal and very easy. Look at that, how it falls. Just absolutely amazing. Okay, very few light colors, but I do have this one. And it's really pretty. So, some of the light colors also that are there, which we want to kind of do. Now look at that. The joy when you wear it. It looks beautiful. It feels great. And yeah, dress them up, build up some. You can even do some, embroidery with threads of this color. It's going to look amazing. But I think in itself, they are complete. And when you do a color match combination like this, that's all that you will need. So again, देखिए, I'm going to show it to you how it looks. This is perfect. Okay, yeah, I'll take that. Now this is of course Chinia silk. We've also shown you some big bootas, and I think they've been doing really well, the 3250. So you can go for a big boota, you can go for a small boota, you can go for this Chinia silk. Of course, Munga mein big bootas nahi hai. I'm going to take a sip of water. It's like, you know, these standing lines, I love them. You can really see the flow of the pieces, but it's also so fun, you know, to be doing it. But हाँ, थोड़ा सा workout type होता है, and that's the whole point of it. It's always a good thing to add one extra of this. Now another pink with a totally different motif. And you know why I want to make it move like that? Because you can see the entire designs, you can see the flow, you can see that how fun it's going to be when you're going to be wearing this. So yes, you know, and of course summer weddings के लिए अगर आप prep कर रहे हैं, we are already late, guys. You know, you got to take these, you got to dress them up, you got to plan. So yes, you should do it now. And of course, Eid is just around the corner, so even more so for that. और इन्हीं को सब celebrate करते हुए, we are doing a new launch today. Just look how stunning this is. Okay, now I'm going to do something really amazing with it. I'm going to bring up this fabric. This is a 4800 Resham Munga. There's no zari, and this exact pink with it. So if you like the zari touch, like the one that I'm wearing, surely go for it. If you like these, which have no zari but really perfect looks, then you should go for it too. And you know, I think it's amazing. What I also want to do in between is show you one very lovely fabrics. और फिर इस fabric के साथ मेरे, you know, it's a very nice Georgette fabric. I want to show the fabric first, and then I'll come to the dupatta also. I'll show that combination, and let's do the other two colors of this too. Okay, this is a very pretty, because हम इतना मूंगा की बात कर रहे हैं, so I said why not also show you Georgette. Georgette is totally all season. Munga is all season. You don't have to worry कि summers and winter. Now this is natural. It's not dyed yet. It looks beautiful. Now I'm going to show you the dupatta along with it, and it's this. Now here you go. You can see this. Looks great. Feels great. Acha, what I will also do is that I will also, one second, I will also, yeah, there you go. I will also show you a Georgette dupatta, which we can kind of go for it with it. But what perfection. Look at how perfect this is. This has a bird kind of a face, so that's something that you should know. And that's your fabric that you're looking for. It's perfect in every which way. Now I'm going to go to this dupatta and show it to you. First things first, open me. What a green. Yeah, it's like a childlike excitement, you know, just to be able to open these, to enjoy their beauty. And they're very compact, very easy. They're 2.5 with tassels. I think, you know, you should just check whatever that is. But this touch, ये जो natural touch है यहाँ मूंगा का, it kind of makes a lot of difference. Okay, इसी fabric के जो बाकी दो colors हैं, I'm going to just show it to you. This is a very pretty pink Meena one, and let's show it to you open. अब इसके साथ मेरे पास, you know, we just kind of picked it up. It's a last cut. In fact, we didn't pick up exact same matching, but I want to show you the tulip dupatta, and yes, it's flower based. You'll see most of our names are flower based. The Gul Bhuta, or of course Rosanna is not, but yeah, a lot of flower names, we use that. Now here you go, Guldwari. I think we have done that long time back. Also a brilliant sellout. Now look at that. The dupatta, ye exactly color match nahi hai. We're going to be kind of, you know, this, we're going to be dyeing it to match the Meena. मैं ये दुपट्टा आपको जरूर दिखाऊंगी, because it is one of our latest Sona Rupa lightweight Georgette dupatta, 20,800, and it is doing so well. So, you know, earlier this year we had announced that we're going to be, you know, coming out with our new dyeable designs, and, you know, keeping up our promise, we've launched just that. It's so easy to wear this. I will show you the detail, and look how fun. Now it dyes beautifully, so koi bhi aap isme color kare. Now anybody who's joined in late, what I'm wearing is a Munga silk fabric, 5,800 per meter. I'm wearing it top and bottom. You'll need about 5 meters for the look that I'm wearing. It's a sleek pant and slightly, you know, fun, flary kurta and short one. Now this is the dupatta. Ab iska jo second. So that's the dupatta. Look at the border, all made in karwa, exceedingly beautiful. when you're in doubt, just say that you want a tulip dupatta dyed with a silk fabric, with a Munga fabric that you have seen. So it is one of our dyeable fabrics, and you can just get it in any color that you want. Now there you go. And you know, that's what I wanted to remind, that the shows are on the 26th in Chandigarh, 27th half day, 2 baje ke baad shuru hoega, and 28th full day in Ludhiana. There wouldn't be any lives possible. You can just make out from a schedule. It's absolutely tight packed, which is why we're doing this live, showcasing all of this new pieces to you right away, ताकि आप तसल्ली से अभी खरीद सकें for everybody who's there online. And then of course we're going to also be bringing it to Ludhiana, to Chandigarh, to both the cities. So much excitement in the air with the celebrations, with the wedding, and it's all fun. What a wonderful striking color. And it's really like, just so easy. It's almost air-like, wearing these dupattas. Golden sunflower yellow. And just what you want to wear. You want to kind of pop it up in this season, enjoy the flow of colors. And, bahut na soche, do not overthink about colors. It's very intuitive. And for everybody else, I'm here, I'll do it for you. That's why I'm doing all of these. And when I say intuitive, it means that if you like a color at the first sight, you say, oh, that's a color I love. I just love that color. You should wear it, When we overthink, will it look good on me? It will look good on you. And that's my promise to you, because there is no color that's not looked on anyone, okay? And I really believe that. I've been saying it aloud for the last 5 years, or the 500 lives that we have done. I think, we need to be kind of celebrating one day all of these. I mean, honestly, we don't do any countdown of the lives that we have done, because we have lost track. It's a very simple fact. We have lost track how many we have done. And probably 500, way more than 500 lives, yes. And in each life, if I could, I would say this to you, that all color look beautiful on you. You're amazing the way you are. And do not overthink it, and just go for the ones that you've liked. Okay, this is 7,200 per meter, this beautiful Munga fabric. But what I have for you is so much more. One is this stunning dupatta. Look at that. It is stunning, okay? But let's add a little more to it. Because if you have turned up on a Neve Live, I want to keep it simple. I want to give you all that there is. It is very simple to buy. You say, yeah, mujhe ye acha laga. But it's my job to show you everything that I can, and in tune with that, look at that. So what are you seeing here? A Munga silk fabric 3450 per meter, this dupatta 28,800, and this fabric 7,200. Now what you're seeing is a dupatta, a kurta, and a bottom, and how amazing it looks. Now this is a perfect example that when you're going to be doing a Munga, now ye Munga boota hai, if you can see, but if you want to go for a plain Munga, sure. But when you're wearing any of these colors, with the fabrics that I've shown you, you can go for a contrasting bottom, because it is that perfect look. Look at that. It's just amazing, right? So I'm going to now of course open it up and show it to you. But chahe agar aapko, you want to reduce the price, then you can go for this too, just this, like a Munga Buta suit. And this is also great, but uske saath jo maza aa raha tha, with that natural, Meena, and so perfect. I mean, that's not possible with all, but jinme hai possible, I will just show it to you. And look at this again. Here you go, the open dupatta. Now ye jo color hai, to me it's a green shade, okay? To you, you may say it's blue. To me it's green, or ye jo color hai, and that's the reason I make so less of it. But sometimes it's irresistible, especially for the season. And with a Munga, like, look at that. Just look at this beauty of this dupatta. It's absolutely amazing, okay? Now, we're going to do a bright, beautiful orange. And orange ka aisa maza hai that it looks really good on this base color. Like, just, it's like, without any question. But sometimes when we want to have fun, and definitely when I want to show you, I'm also going to show you like this. It's not exactly the same. This is more like burnt orange. This is like more like orange. But what I want to do is to give you a reference of how it is. And yeah, like how would it look. The very last few dupattas, and then we are done with this live with this celebration of a show that's about to be next week. And yeah, it's going to be really tight timelines because we are so busy with our projects here, with our lives here, with our all your summer shopping, for wedding and for Eid. So, we've kept it really tight packed so that we can keep doing these lives and also to keep shipping these pieces, because सबसे ज़्यादा क्या होता है when we are in a show, all the shipments, all the stuff is with us wherever we are. So the team from here is unable to ship it. Now look at that, just flaunt the tassels, enjoy the look. It's just so brilliant, okay? I love this pop. Each one really nice. Now I'm good. Each one really good. And it's going to be a tough one for you to pick up. But mera ye kehna hai, if you spend more time on this, you will not get the one that you like the most, okay? So the idea is, and I always want that for you, is that you get the exact piece that you have been looking and eyeing. What a stunner of a black. Oh my God, look at that. Look at the movement. And again, wear it to work, wear it like, you want a formal workwear. This is great. You're stepping out for lunch. This is great. You're going to be wearing it to the pre-wedding events. This is great. You're going to be wearing for Eid. This is absolutely amazing. So, that's the whole idea, that ye jo live hai, ye ekdam, these are all rounded. Basically to show you everything. Now, Munga Buta match with this. It's just amazing. So my thing to you, you're going to wear it casually, tab aap usko contrast mein, the way I'm wearing, aap pehen sakte hain. And if you're going to be wearing it like a formal event, then just get whatever fabric you're taking dyed. Now you want to keep it really low price wise, तो आप प्लेन मूंगा भी कर सकते हैं 2450 per meter से, and then दुपट्टा ले सकते हैं. This is 5400 per meter. Look at the sheen. This is all brocade weaves. The last dupatta, the second last dupatta is coming up. Oh my God, what another deep, dark chocolate, earthy color. And so pretty. Now look at this, how it kind of folds, okay? This is how it looks. And I do have two bonus dupattas at the very end, not from this collection, from one other collection. जिसको आपको देखना है, पहले इसके देख लीजिए last. This is the most wonderful brown. And you want to drape it like this, like you don't want to keep it open. Then to just see how easy it is to do it. कुछ नहीं करने की जरूरत है. अगर मैं पहन सकती हूँ, so I think the world can wear it. It's that easy, because that's my experience, that if I can do it, everybody can just wear it so easily. There's nothing isme. Look at that. Okay, when you wear it a little falling, your hands are even more free, and your this whole look is right there. You can let it drop, or you can choose to kind of pick it up like this, and you can wear it. So you're like standing all nicely. Then too, if you want to dance your way around, or just be free, like this is how you're going to be doing it. The very last color, and that's a stunning, a very denim blue, and I would totally kind of wear it. So the base color is actually a little shade of Munga. It is a Munga silk base. So thoda sa creamish hai bandhni puri. But honestly, I would wear it with a white in a jiffy or a cream nice kurta. Like, who can like really say that kind of it's a wrong way of wearing it. There is no wrong, there is no right. When you're dressing up, there is no necessity for you to match the zaris if that's all you're comfortable in. If you feel ki, zari should be totally be matched, go for suit sets. That's the only way you will have, But I think all of you have so much fun dressing up, and that's now this, when you're doing this kind of round, you make sure that you have something here, like maybe an embroidery, maybe a nice neck piece, but make sure. And then you kind of wrap it around or keep it simple. And as I said, just wear it a little over your shoulders, like just so many ways of doing the same dupatta and really maximizing it. Wear it like even like a like a jacket. You can just pin it up and wear it like a kaftan. And this wonderful last dupatta from this new collection that celebrates the summer weddings, the Eid, all together. And of course our twin shows for the very first time. Yes, I want to say it again. Till all of you in Chandigarh and Ludhiana have marked it on your calendar and you're going to be there, okay? It's not to be missed, We've been waiting for so long to be doing our shows in Ludhiana, and we're finally there. And of course, Chandigarh. I may not say it every time, but yes, I completely mean both the cities. Okay, now what's next up are Kota dupattas. If it's summer wedding and you're looking for something absolutely beautiful with handwork, these are our real zari Kota dupatta. Okay, why am I wrapping it around me? Is because you can wear this dupatta in so many different ways. But now look at that beautiful embroidery. All the zari that you're seeing here is actually real zari. This very pretty embroidery done. Wear it with this exact base color. You can see this base color, right? It's like a creamish base color. Wear it with that, or wear it with this gold when you want to make it dressy. It is the most beautiful real zari dupattas, all finishing done, everything ready. And just look at that striking effect. सब कुछ है इसमें embroidery, real zari, kota, and it's kota cotton and not kota, silk, which is why it's got this really, really unique way of doing it. Okay, so you are going to be wearing it with any plain, cotton fabric, which can be premium chanderi or which can be, cotton, like chanderi cotton. But another fabric which is going to look very nice on this is going to be plain Kattan silk. Now plain Kattan silk for me is going to be in this base color, and if it's a wedding then I'm going to go for the red because it's going to look so classy, so elegant. So from our real zari collection of dupattas, these beauties, okay, that's one option for you. I'm going to wear it gently, but know this, that kota is really sturdy. It's a beautiful fabric. All of this, ye jo puri zari aap dekh rahe hain, this is actually real zari, which means that real silver, which is electroplated with gold, okay? And that's the second one that I'm showing you, and there you go. Now two designs, two same palettes. जो designs हैं उनकी अलग हैं, but जो color story, the whole concept was exact same. The touch of red, these neutral, beautiful colors for you to enjoy, and just look at the beauty of this. Summer weddings, summer celebration, that's the look that you're wearing. Silk, of course, भी all season है, चाहे मूंगा हो या चिनिया हो या कतान हो या जॉर्जेट हो. It's about the looks that you're going to try to create. But kota जब आता है, kota is all in all job, like it's like pure cotton. So it's a full-on look for this season. Easy maintain, handwork, all the detailings, just all of those things that you need. Any other color, any other color. So anything that you will need for, to be wearing in this season. It's absolutely brilliant. Just wrap it around. I just love this because ye jo handwork hai, it just kind of settles down so easily right here. Right? So that's the look for you. Just two unique pieces that I'm kind of showcasing to you. And thank you so much. I'm going to wear this tanner as my closing dupatta. It's amazing. It's a black. So, as I said, launching a brand new collection for you today to celebrate the marking of your twin show in Ludhiana and Chandigarh for the season of Eid and for all the summer weddings. And yes, our schedule next week is going to be super tight. So, lives are not going to be as much there or not going to be there at all. But that's why we're doing this, to celebrate it. And you should go right away and place your order for these beautiful dupattas that you're seeing here. Thank you. Have a great week ahead.